Consider the function f from 1 by 2 to 1 to r defined by f of x is equal to 4 root 2 x power 3 minus 3 root 2 x minus 1. And consider the statements: the curve y is equal to f of x intersects the x-axis exactly at one point, and the curve y is equal to f of x intersects the x-axis at point x is equal to cos pi by 12. So let us check for the first statement. Since f of x is equal to 4 root 2 x power 3 minus 3 root 2 x minus 1, and at the boundaries, if I can check, f of 1 by 2 is equal to 4 root 2 into 1 by 8 minus 3 root 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1, so which is root 2 upon 2 minus 3 root 2 upon 2 minus 1, that is root 2 minus 3 root 2 is minus 2 root 2 upon 2 minus 1, so which is negative. So f of 1 by 2 is negative, and then at the other point f of 1 is equal to 4 root 2 into 1 cube minus 3 root 2 into 1 minus 1, that is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 is greater than 1, so we can say this is positive. So from the we can check that at x is equal to 1 by 2 it is negative, and at x is equal to half, at x is equal to 1 it is positive. Means the graph cuts the x-axis at one point. And let us check, is there any maxima or minima in between 1 by 2 and 1. For that, differentiate and equal to 0. So we get 4 root 2 into 3x square minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. So that 12 root 2 x square is equal to 3 root 2. So x square is equal to 3 by 12, which is 1 by 4. So the value of x can be taken here plus or minus 1 by 2. So at x is equal to plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 does not exist in the interval. So at x is equal to 1 by 2, you are getting negative value, and this is the corner point, and hence we can conclude that the graph compulsorily cuts the x-axis at only one and only one point. So statement 1 is true. Now let's check the second statement. The curve y is equal to f of x intersects the x-axis at the point x is equal to cos pi by 12. So given function f of x is equal to 4 root 2 x power 3 minus 3 root 2 x minus 1. So this can also be written by taking root 2 common, 4x power 3 minus 3x minus 1. Let us consider, let x is equal to cos theta. So we can write f of cos theta is equal to root 2 times 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta minus 1. That is root 2 times 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3 theta minus 1. And let us see this. Since to cut the intersect the x-axis, so we have to consider y is equal to 0, that is f of cos theta 0. So we get root 2 of cos theta is equal to 1, or cos 3 theta is equal to 1 by root 2, which is cos pi by 4. Then 3 theta is equal to pi by 4, which implies theta is equal to pi by 12. So at theta is equal to pi by 4, we are getting y is equal to 0. Means the graph cuts the x-axis at the point cos pi by 12, comma 0. So at x is equal to cos pi by 12, the graph cuts the x-axis. So we can say that the statement 2 is also true. So both the statements are true. So we can go with an option 1. Both 1 and 2 are correct.